Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and that's part of the box, and at the cover of the box you will find here another black box, so just release it like that here, and if you open it and pull out the card with the documents here, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. Now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take care and use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now your SIM ejection tool or the paperclip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At the SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card here as well as second SIM card on the other side of the SIM tray. So this is optional. Okay, by the way, what's SIM 1 and SIM 2, it's always written here in the middle. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Belongs here to SIM 1, of course. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray, and the contacts, as you can see, they are on top. Okay. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card here at the SIM tray if you want, but don't wonder, the first SIM card will always jump out because the SIM tray is not well constructed. Okay, let's take the second SIM card here, belongs to SIM 2, of course. Press it well, so that's where I insert it. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's also here a missing corner. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And yeah, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, let me insert the first SIM card again. By the way, I recommend to you, if you want to insert two SIM cards, to always start with a second SIM. And yeah, if you're ready with anyhow with one or two SIM cards here at the SIM tray, put it back into the SIM slot. The first SIM card will be always on top, so to the display side now. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.